Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 6 science chapter number 2 some summative assessment means some small question answers and long question answers. So let's start. First of all, you can see the questions. If you want to take a screenshot, wait, let me make a table and after that you can make a screenshot. So you can see here some of the questions as I can read. Which components of food is called the body building food, right? You can see here, you can write this question answers in your notebook. Which component of food is called the body building food? So the answer is protein. I hope all of you are getting this straight. Actually it was just get it turned. So now you can write in the straight way. Very short question answers, answer in one word. Which component of the food is called the body building food? Means which nutrition specially is bodybuilding food? The nutrition name is protein. Second question. Which type of carbohydrate is white, tasteless and insoluble in water? As I had described in the chapter also, cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate which is white, which is tasteless and it is insoluble in water. Third question. From which source we get unsaturated fats, oils? Can you tell me from which source we are getting fats? Okay, you don't know about the fats. Okay, you tell me from which source we get oil. Oil is getting from plants, right? Mustard plants, soybean plants, sunflower plants. From there we get oils. Question number 4, you can go. Name the protein present in blood that carries oxygen from lungs to the cell. Which protein is present in the blood which carries oxygen from lungs to the cell? Can you tell? The right answer is hemoglobin. Because of the hemoglobin only our color of the blood is red. Which disease causes swelling and redness of gums and tongue? It's called pellagra. Pellagra is a disease which causes swelling and redness of gums and tongue. I hope all of you have written all the 5 answers in your notebook. If you have not written, then please take a screenshot and write all these 5 answers of chapter number 2. Now we'll move towards the short question answer. This is very short, right? Now let's go ahead with the short question answers. So now you can see short question answers. These are in 10 to 15 words. The first question is, name 2 sources of complex carbohydrates. Identify the constituent molecule present in them. First of all, try to understand the question. Question is saying we have to write the 2 sources of complex carbohydrate, which are the constituent molecules which are present inside them. First of all, starch and cellulose are the 2 complex carbohydrates. Starch and cellulose are the 2 complex carbohydrates. Starch is obtained from the wheat, rice, maize and potato. And cellulose are present in the wood, grass, cotton, etc. Right? The constituent molecules of carbohydrates are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. The constituent molecules of carbohydrate are carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Why I am saying you this? Because if we talk about the glucose, fructose, sucrose, each and every carbohydrate containing protein, carbohydrate containing nutrients are made up of this carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Question number 2. All of you have written this question number 1. If you have not written, then please take a screenshot. So after taking a screenshot, you can write. I am making this table. Please try to take a screenshot. Now let's come question number 2. Name the disease caused by the deficiency of iron. If a person is taking a less iron, so can you tell me which type of disease is going to happen? The disease caused by the deficiency of iron is anemia. Its main symptoms are fatigue, loss of weight and appetite and pale look. Means we tell them a pilia patient, right? So disease caused by deficiency of iron is anemia. Its main symptoms are fatigue, loss of weight and appetite and pale look. So this is question number 2. I hope all of you have written in your notebook. So as you are writing the questions, so please just inform me so I can go ahead. Question number 3. What is meant by balanced diet? What should be the composition of a typical balanced diet? The diet which contains all the essential nutrients in the right proportion is called balanced diet. Write this define of balanced diet also, the same answer. The diet which contains all the essential nutrients in the right proportion is called balanced diet. The proportion of the major nutrients is in a balanced diet should be carbohydrate 60%, protein 25% and fat 15%. Means remember here minerals, vitamins are not represented, but each and everything we must take in our balanced diet. Why are fats called energy store in our body? Fats are called energy stored in our body because our body stores the excess energy in the form of fat. This stored fat is used by the body for getting energy as then when we require. So that's why remember, this is a very important question for unit test 1. You must learn this answer. Fats are called energy stored in our body because our body stores the excess energy in the form of fat. So we must eat fat items like aloo puri, bataka puri, that all. So this stored fat is used by body for getting energy as and when required. Now the fifth question. I hope all of you are writing all these answers. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. See, this is question number 1, 2. You can take a screenshot. Now question number 3 and 4. You can take a screenshot. Now come question number 5. Name any 2 diseases caused by protein energy malnutrition in the children. What are their symptoms? Means due to the lack of protein and carbohydrate, which type of disease especially it's caused due to the lack of protein in the children, and what are their symptoms? 2 such diseases caused by protein energy malnutrition are: first, kwashiorkor, and second one is marasmus. Kwashiorkor and marasmus. If anybody will ask you what is kwashiorkor, kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of protein and carbohydrates in diet. Remember students, these are all the answers you have to write in your notebook. Kwashiorkor is caused by the deficiency of protein and carbohydrate in diet. If you are not taking carbohydrate and protein in a diet, then you will get a kwashiorkor. So remember, dear student, you must take all the nutrients. Symptoms of the kwashiorkor are: the child suffering from kwashiorkor shows the following symptoms. You can see these symptoms. I am reading one by one. First symptom is irritable with pathetic facial look. Means their face getting always irritable with the pathetic facial, means this face is not good. Second point is skin cracks and becomes scaly. Skin cracks and becomes scaly. So their skin cracks and becomes scaly. Third point, swollen abdomen and weak legs. Third point is swollen abdomen and weak legs. Fourth point, hair turn reddish, just like American. Hair turn reddish. And the fifth point, lower body weight and retarded growth. So as you have seen, these are the symptoms of kwashiorkor. Now we are moving towards marasmus. Marasmus is caused by the deficiency of protein and carbohydrate. This is also a disease which is specially caused by the lack of proteins and carbohydrates. What are the symptoms of kwashiorkor, means marasmus symptoms? There is a wasting of muscles in marasmus, in which reduces the child to skin and bones. First symptom means their bones and muscle starts reducing. The child becomes so thin that loose folds of skin can be seen all over the body. Means you can see the small, means old lady or old man, their skins are especially becoming like loose and folds. So similarly, when a child is getting marasmus, so this type of symptoms can be seen on the face or in the body. The third point, the child suffering from marasmus loses body weight rapidly. Means you will see that body weight is reducing continuously. The ribs of the marasmic child look very prominent. Their ribs are looking just like, means only Kankal Tantra on their body. And in marasmus, the intestinal digestion is impaired, body and brain weight are lower. So dear students, you have seen these are the symptoms of marasmus. You can take a screenshot, and after then you can write in your notebook. As we'll move ahead, after getting the knowledge about this, all the 5 short question answers, you can see here: first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Now I will give you some very long question answers, that also you have to write in your notebook. Don't forget to write these question answers in your notebook. These are very, very important question answers, especially for term 1, means unit test 1. So that's why it's very important to write in notebook. Now we are moving towards the long question answers. You can see the first question is: describe the roles of protein in our body. Means what protein do in our body. The role of protein in our body: protein helps in, first point, digestion, second, body growth, third, tissue repair, and fourth, catalyzing certain biochemical process. So these are the importance of protein in our body. If you are taking a good amount of protein in your body, your digestion will be always strong, means it is good. Second is your body will grow. You will become like a tall boy, fit boy, tall girl, fit girl, just like that. your tissue will be repaired. If anywhere you are getting a scratch in your body, it will be repaired very soon. Fourth is catalyzing certain biochemical process. You can write this question also and answer also in your notebook. Next one is very, very, very important. This question I hope 100% it will come in exam. So why is glucose called a source of instant energy? Can you tell me? Glucose directly enters the bloodstream and produces energy through the respiration immediately. Therefore, it acts as a source of instant energy. What does it mean? Question wants to say you that. Why is glucose called a source of instant energy? Immediately how glucose give you energy? Have you ever taken Glucon-D or glucose? So as glucose directly enters the bloodstream, glucose do not stop anywhere in the digestion process. Directly it enters into the bloodstream and produces energy through respiration immediately. As the respiration is done always, so through that they produce the energy. That's why it's called an instant energy. Therefore it acts as a source of instant energy. Third question you can see, why intake of more fat than carbohydrate in diet is not advisable? Means if you are taking more fat or more carbohydrate, what will happen to you? You can see this. What will happen if you take more fat or carbohydrate? You should take more carbohydrate or fat. Why intake of more fat than carbohydrate in diet is not? It means you should not take more fat, because if you take of more fat, you will get a disease called obesity. You can see this in our society also. Big fat, and you will see their stomach as just like a volcanoes. So that's why we should not take more fats. So why intake of more fat than carbohydrate in diet is not advisable. Excess of fat in our food gets deposited in our body. If you are taking excess of fat, that food will deposit in your body, and too much of fat deposition in our body leads to obesity. As I have told you, if you want to become so much jada or jadi, then you should take too much fat. Otherwise you should take proper nutrition in your body. Next one is, why is the presence of roughage in food essential? Yes, very, very important question. This is also the important question. I hope this will also come in exam. The presence of roughage in the food is essential because how many of you are eating salad while taking a lunch or dinner? You must take. See here, it's written, why is the presence of roughage in food essential? Very, very important question. If you are not taking salad, from today onwards you should take. See, the presence of roughage in the food is essential because, first point, they help in retaining water in the body. Means as you are taking a lot of water in your body, they help you to retain water in your body. Second, they add bulk to the food and give a sense of filling after the meal. Means if you are adding a bulk of food, they will give you a sense of feeling that you are taking a bulk of food or meal. Means as you are taking a salad, it will always give you a knowledge that you are eating too much. Third, they prevent constipation and help in the regular movement of the bowels. Yeah, some of the persons do not get digestion properly, as early in the morning we go to washroom, and sometimes what happens, we do not get proper our digestion. Means our stomach is something feeling different type, so that's why it prevents the constipation. That is called constipation. When your digestion is not proper, your washroom is not coming properly, that is called constipation. So they prevent constipation and help the regular movement of the bowels. Now question number 5, name the symptoms, causes and remedies of night blindness. Have you heard the night blindness? A person which becomes blind at night. So you can see here, night blindness is a disease which a patient is unable to see in dim light or may lose his or her vision. It is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. If you are not having proper vitamin A, then because of that only you will get a disease called night blindness. Its main symptoms are white deposition on a conjunctiva and dryness of cornea. Don't understand that is activa, it is conjunctiva. So here, as its main symptoms are white deposition on the conjunctiva and dryness of cornea, you will see that in your eyes the cornea will dry and you will get a disease called night blindness. It can be cured by giving a diet rich of vitamin A. As you are taking a lot of vitamin A, you will never get this type of disease like night blindness. I hope all of you have understand, and all of you have written also, because these answers are very, very, very important for unit test 1. I hope all of you are writing these answers at your notebook during this lockdown COVID 2019 and 20, because it has started in 2019, that's why its name is COVID-19. Okay, I hope all of you have written these answers. If you are having any type of doubt during this writing this answer, then please inform. So I will write in the comment box and you can write through there also. So if you are getting, it's vibrating too much, so if you are not getting proper, so you can take a screenshot. So while taking a screenshot, be very careful, and after then start writing. That's all for today. Thank you very much. So you can write these answers very carefully. Thank you very much.